Hey everybody, this is Ann. This is a quick tutorial about how to use your phone to enter your inventory. This is a voice entry method. Basically anything that has a microphone. Voice entry is so fast, it will really change your life. It makes things so much quicker. So we're going to show you how to do this really quickly. Here we are on the website, childrensclothingexchange.com. You've got to register for the sale, but once you've registered, you're going to click I'm consigning again, which is going to take you to your consigner homepage. This is where you have all information. It also will show you what your resort number is down here if you need it. But what you're going to do is go to the menu and work with consigned inventory. This is your consigner inventory menu. This is where you work with all inventory. This is where you print tags. This is where you can see your sold items, where you can print inventory reports. This is the hub. But if you're working with adding new inventory, you're going to click on Add Items, and here are your choices. The mobile version, the PC version, that's where you're actually typing it in, but either the PC or the mobile voice entry, this is where you're using your microphone, and it is the way to go, I promise. So if I click on mobile voice entry, then it's going to bring me to my voice entry page. If you've never used it before, there are instructions right here. I encourage you to read them because there is a certain way that you need to say things. But once you do that, you're going to choose your category and you're going to choose your size. And then after that, you're going to click in the box where it says dictate your items here and then hit your microphone. Once I hit my microphone, you're not going to hear my voice, but I'll be back. So I entered all that, and then I hit Submit Item, and there is green gingham dress that I just put in there. You can also edit things if you make a mistake. Again, you're not going to hear my voice for a minute, but I'll be back. So I've accidentally put in $100 as opposed to whatever I wanted. Or if you misspell something or misunderstand you, just tap in the box. Just tap here in the box, and then you can use your keyboard to edit changes. And then you hit Submit Item, and it's in there. So you don't necessarily have to click the Start Over button, though there is an option for that. If you've just made a typing mistake, like a word mistake or something like that, you can just tap in the box to edit it and fix it. Anyway, fast. You can sit on the floor with all your stuff surrounding you. You're not having to use your hands to type into a keyboard. It's just all in here. Oh my gosh, it's a time saver. Give it a try.